Hi tabooligans, hi angels. Today I'm about to do a mini Gyaru transformation because my D.I.A came in the mail. If you don't know what gangaroos and gyarus, it's basically a revolution. Well, gangaroos in general is a revolution in Japan going against what a typical Japanese woman should look like. In Asian culture in general, they're praised for having pale skin and small faces and plain noses and not wearing a lot of makeup and stuff like that. And usually gangaroos, they'll wear like mamba style makeup, which is where they highlight their nose white and they put highlight underneath their eyebrow and on their lips. But today I want to go for a cute Gyaru look, curl Gyaru. And they have these brands. Well, it was popular in the early 2000s, right? But they have these brands from Japan, and one of them is D.I.A, and I'm wearing a full D.I.A outfit right now. I'll show you when I open the belt. I don't really know if they make these clothes anymore. It's just not as popular, and they don't sell the same styles as they did, like 5 to 10 years ago. These clothes are really hard to find, and even harder if you're American and live in America, because gangaroo culture has died out a lot and there aren't many gals left. However, I feel like it's low-key making a comeback. I love gangaroo makeup and style. It's really flashy. It's like a Long Island mom or a Jersey Shore mom, kind of like Snooki, but super dolly and super cute. So I'm just gonna do my hair and lashes and let's see what happens. I have a hair crimper. This is Bedhead Wave, Away We Go. My friend gave me this. I don't know, you could probably get it at any drugstore. This is Babyless Pro Straightener. This is my favorite straightener because they have titanium blades, so it makes my hair really soft. And I use that for my bangs. It's like a little baby one. And then, yeah. So I'm gonna gel my hair down and finish it off. Wetline Extreme Styling Gel. It's just from literally any basic store. I like to rub it between my hands, and I have breakage at the top because of bleach, lol, but it's okay. So I just put it on. And I also try to get it in the back like this, like put all of the flyaway loose hairs just up as much as I can. And if some hairs are still sticking up, I'll just get some water. And my hands still have a little bit of gel in it too, so it'll activate and work. And put all my hair down, see? So I love gangaroo culture because it's literally everything that's not normal, and that to me is taboo. Like, these gals just look exactly the way they want to. They don't fear it, and I love it. They're just themselves. They love to wear hibiscus flowers. Leg warmers are a big thing, like the fur ones. They love para dancing. So cute. It's been around for a really long time. However, I just recently got into it because my best friend put me on. So now I'm half curling my bangs inwards, waiting for the crimper to heat up. I ordered a D.I.A about literally 3 weeks ago, and I got the tracking number for it and everything, and then the day it was supposed to arrive, it didn't because the postman couldn't open my mailbox or something like that, because my mailbox is connected to like 12 other mailboxes. And I was like, okay, whatever. It said it's gonna deliver the next day. The next day comes, which is a Saturday, and it still didn't come. So I was like, okay, maybe it's just the weekend, because they said business day. Maybe business day means Monday. Monday comes, nothing. So I'm just like, okay, like, where's this belt? And this belt literally pulls together all gangaroo looks. I had to pick up a package from USPS, and I picked up one from Devilish, and their packaging says Devilish on it with pentagrams all over it. I don't know, I'm not really into religion. I'm not a Satanist. It's not really a big part of my life. Anyways, the package is Devilish, and then a USPS man, he literally has to tell me, oh, your package is missing. Oh, these are from Devilish, actually. They're just hair cuffs, which I've shown on Instagram Live when I did an unboxing for my Devilish package. And they just have some cute little trim and then a fur thing and then some curls or something. But these can be worn on your wrists too, or probably on your ankles. Like, it literally doesn't matter. The thing with my style is that I don't do things in terms of what they're supposed to be for. I just do it however I want to, because there's no limit. Oh no, I didn't finish my hair. This is just a bow clip. So anyways, he gives me my package and tells me my thing is missing. I'm like, damn, if I give someone a freaking double package, I would really not want. I just wouldn't want to do that. I'm like, this bitch about to hex me. I was disappointed, but I just walked away and I filed a missing claim, whatever. I messaged the seller and I was like, hey, they lost my package. And then Riku, who's the seller, hi Riku if you're watching this, she was basically like, oh, I'm so sorry, is there anything I can do? I'm like, oh, it's not your fault, don't worry about it. So I just said, if you are selling another D.I.A, just hit me up, please. And then lo and behold, a week ago, Rico messages me and is like, hey, I'm not selling any belts, but my friend is. Wait, this is kind of cute like this, huh? Should I wear it like that? It's kind of cute. And it's like, my friend's selling one and I can connect you guys. Oh my god, it looks like little bear ears. Okay, I'm gonna wear my hair like this today. I didn't think I was gonna do that, but I like it. I think I like it. Riku hits me up with their friend, Bina. And Bina connects me with a D.I.A belt and sold it to me. So I really appreciate both of you for doing that. And I'm gonna unbox it. I'm just taking the glue off of these lashes. I've been wearing these lashes since high school. They're my favorite ones. I also do want to experiment this year with like more fluttery lashes, like OD long ones. So if you know of any good ones, let me know. But these are the nubounsom dragon leaves, and you can use the code Taboo for 20% off on any lash, not just the dragon leaves. Please use that code because I'm an affiliate and it'll help me out. I'll show you what they look like. I'm getting better at talking and doing things at the same time. But yeah, my lash care is just me taking off the glue carefully. If you don't be careful with it, you can take off the string band and then the lashes fall out. But I've been doing this forever, so it's all good. Go in my inner corner too and put on more eyeliner. Oh, I just grabbed a Sharpie yellow. Taboo liner, duh. Yeah. Because when you do this, it just makes your eyes look longer. Okay, so this is a D.I.A belt that I opened the top yesterday and then I recognized that it's a D.I.A belt and then I freaked out. But let's do an unboxing. Thank you, Vina, for sending me this, and Rico for connecting us together. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think this is the one that Rico sent me actually. The one that I thought that was lost. Yes, it is! It's not lost anymore! Oh my god! So I'm wearing all D.I.A, and then devilish, and then the innocence. Okay, so I just got home and the second D.I.A belt came from Bina, which is the one I originally thought was gonna come. And look at this cute packaging.